This session we will work on the website template editing in mobile view. So whenever you have done with your design, or if you want to create, or if you want to adjust the entire website into your mobile versions. For example, we have this website and how it looks like in mobile website. So upside we have got two options here, that is a computer screen, and then one more option here is the mobile screen. So I'll click on mobile screen, that is switch to mobile, so you can edit your site from mobile also. Click on edit, click on switch to mobile version. So the entire design will change it to mobile version. You can see here, so this is the mobile version. So I would like to click on let us go option. So it will ask you many options here, so scroll with the page. You can have a disappear option, you can fade out option, and you can have a fixed options. So you can scroll using your mouse scroller. So you select the mouse scroller. If you want disappears, it will be disappeared. We'll see first option, scroll with the page, and click on the next option. So floating options on the bottom side, you want these calling and other options. So if you want to keep it in floating option, it will come and it will go off. So if you want to keep it on the bottom, you can keep. If you don't want, you can click on no action. Meanwhile, I will keep on floating option, click on the next. So back to the top, do you want to add this feature? It is asking about, yes, you say I want to add these features. Click on this. Good job. You can click on the mobile editor here. So I will click here, go to mobile editor. So this main stream will come here. Here also we will have all the same options, but only the screen is adjusted to mobile version. You can see the header here. So this is the header, this is the cart, and they have a mobile menu options. So any menu options can be checked here. I will click the save button and we will see the mobile preview also here. First we will see with the preview. So based on the preview, we will see any editing or any changes required. So click on the preview button. We can see mobile preview here. So I can scroll it here. So I have a floating option we selected. So while scrolling, we can get this floating options. Click on this chat button. So it will work. It will work when we publish this particular website. See, this is the mobile screen. And here in the menu, if I click on the menu, we can see home, about, shop, the other all options. This is how it looks like in your website creations. So other than this is the cart, you can go with your my orders at my address, wallet, subscriptions, and my account and logout options. That is on user end. This is the cart end. So these are the options we can get it. So here we have got this option. So when we click this options, we will get the phone call options and chatting options and rest other options. So click on this home menu. I will click on the home menu. You can see home menu in mobile view. So if I go to click on this menu, click on the about. So we will see about screen here. So this is all in mobile version. So we'll go with the men and women. Click on the men. So the men page will be opened here. So you have products listed here. We can change the product in mobile view also, as well as in computer view also. I'll click on back to editor. We will see how do we edit in mobile version. I'll click on the back to editor option. So it switch to editor mode. So here also we can select each and every section. This is a header section, and this is one more section, that collection section. Here we have all types of products are listed here. So in bottom side we have the footer option. In the footer option you can see the name of this website, you can see the email address, you can see the telephone number likewise. So sub tabs links are given in the footer also. So this option is also available in your desktop screen. I will click switch to desktop scene. Here you have an option. Whenever you want to see your website from the desktop view, you can click this option. Whenever you want to see the mobile version, you can see this in mobile version too. So this is the desktop version. In the footer side, you can see this is the entire area is of footer size. Click on the footer and we have these many, headings and related pages are also available here. The same menu pages will be available here. If you don't want, you can remove it by clicking on it, and you can delete. You can double click and you can edit that particular options also. So you can remove the links. If we don't remove the links, so will not be able to delete it. Click on this. You can remove the links first, and after removing the link, you can remove these options. You can add extra options also. We will switch back to mobile view. If you observe here, the left side we have got there are three things which are going hidden in mobile version. So I'll switch to desktop mode. So here we have got nothing is hidden here. So we have got two applications, we can add it, but nothing is hidden, because when we switch the computer PC screen or high resolution screen to mobile view, some of the options which are not supported in mobile view are going to hidden here. So we can click on this hidden option. So we can see what are the things are getting hidden here. We can see column 2, column 3 are hidden here. So I'll just bring my mouse pointer on the column 2. You can see here I brought my mouse pointer on column 2. Column 2 is selected, and here is the column 2. This is a space which is hidden, so that we will not be able to see it in the preview or in a published website. Similarly, column 3 is also hidden. So column 2 and column 3 are just in the same place, and image that image which we have added for a logo is also hidden. If you want to show it, you can show it, because these are not adjustable to this particular screen. So that's automatically got hidden by the website editor. So here Shopman, we are in a different page. So you can go to again here, click on the drop down menu, and you can choose home button. So any changes required in home button, this mobile view will also change it to home menu. So the updates or editing which you required in mobile version is, see, we can see welcome to our site is just little bit left side. So we can move it in the center of the screen. Yes, this is now this is center of the screen and center of this section also. There are two sections. This is section. This particular text box got centered with this text box also, the total screen also. So otherwise it was left side. No matter how it looks like in this desktop version, but we can change some settings in mobile version too. So I will double click here. This paragraph we will make it centered, or we can make it adjustable, and then we can bring it a little bit upside also. So more button, it is little bit left side, and I'll bring it on the center screen. So keep it on the center. If you want, you can bring it a little bit up, and you can adjust the mobile screen. So I will first reduce this section, keep it here, and this will keep, and I will reduce this section size. Next one, we have the name of the website. So if you want, you can bring this name of the website upside also, bottom side also. I will keep this one here. So these are the gallery, the Wix Pro gallery. So we can click on the Wix Pro gallery, and you can go to settings option. So click on the settings. The Wix Pro gallery will be shown here. The layout will be shown here. So any layout if you want, you can select here in the Wix Pro gallery. So currently we have selected this particular layout, so we can use that particular layout only. So we'll click on the settings here. It will go to the same option. You can even right click and you can go with the settings also. So now we have the product section here. So product section also we can click on setting, and we can go to grid gallery, So any gallery if you want, you can see it. Show add to cart button, so you can click on show add to cart button. If I selected here, this every product will get the add to cart button below that particular product. So show quantity also, it will show you if you want to unhide it, so it will show the quantity. So how many quantity you want to add it into their cart. So show the product option, so I'll click on the product option, so it will give one more option about this particular product. Show product option, so it will give you an option about the product. So we'll go to layout here. So layout, we can choose 2 columns or single column layout also we can choose. It's better you can choose single column in mobile version. So we'll see how it looks like when we select the single column, 1 column, and you can see it's very big in size. 1 column, we have add to cart option. You can even increase the number of pieces required. So this is 1 column, so we can view one by one. So this is 2 columns we can create, and that 2 columns will be shown here, one next to product, next to each one, next to another product here. The spacing and all we can adjust here, and cropping, fitting and all you can take it here. The size of this product is 3:4, that's better size. We'll go to design option. So product name size, so the name of the product is here. I am a product, this is the name of the product. So we'll click on the design, the name, product name size, this font, I am a product font, we can change it, so we can increase it, we can decrease it. So I just increase it to 30, so you can see here the product name font size has been increased, and you can even decrease it here. So if you want bigger in size, you can increase it. So I'll keep it 18px, so that is a normal viewable text. We'll reduce it to 16, that's enough, 18 is enough. And then also we can use the price product price font size. The price font size, this price font size, if you want to increase, you can increase using this product size also. You can if you want you can even decrease this. I'll keep it like 14, and we'll see how it looks like. It is the size of this prices will be reducing here right now, so small, it is 14 inch size. Similarly, button text area, text font, this add button we have, that text size also we can reduce it. For example, we'll make it 14, and we'll see how it looks like. The add text size is also got to reduce it here. Add text, add to cart option. So ribbon text font size, so the ribbon text font size is also, we'll keep it 14, and we will see ribbon type, ribbon text font size. So these are the options we have for this particular product section. So product section, you can take it from the add element also. You can use the add element, and product section you can add it. So here we have so many options here. So you can choose the box option. So inside the box, sorry, this product section is something different option. You can even add these social icons also. I will add some social icons here. So I'll go with the Instagram. So Instagram, this all Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, and TikTok icons are coming. So you can adjust these things in the bottom of the screen. I'll just take it to the bottom. So drag it. Drag bottom side. So near footer we can add these icons. I'll keep it here, and we will adjust it. So to adjust it, we just have to make this adjust footer height. So I will just increase the footer height little bit, and I will add this section little bit downset. So we have here this social bar, so I just will delete those, and we can add some bigger size, and I will bring it here in this area. So now we can reduce this section. I'll bring it a little bit upside. I'll keep this social things here, and we can reduce this column. Sorry. Small will increase the size, and yes, this is the footer, and we will drag the footer area. That's all. So we have got the social media icons into this your website. So we'll save and we'll see the preview here. So click on the preview. So this is the website. We can see it from the mobile version, and in the footer side we have the social media links.